Circles, Chapter 4, 10th class, Exercise 4.2. In question 1 to 3, choose the correct option and give justification. The first question is as follows. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter. You should understand here, from a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. The radius of the circle is, what we have to find here is the radius of the circle. Yes, right? Is option A 7 centimeter, option B 12 centimeter, option C is 15 centimeter, option D is 24.5 centimeter. For the better understanding of this problem, let me take a point and let this be the circle center. With the help of this, I will be drawing a circle. There is a point Q. That's right. There is a point here. That's name is Q. And the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter. So let me draw a tangent. This will be of 24 centimeter. Yes, right. This one is 24 centimeter. And the distance of Q from the center. Q from the center O. Yes, right. This is center O. Q from center O is 25 centimeter. Yes. 25 centimeter. This one is 25 centimeter. And then the radius is, what we have to find here is the radius. How much is the radius? Let me take this point as R. So here you should note down that radius and the tangent at the point of contact. Here the point of contact, R, point of contact. Is the angle between these two, radius and the tangent. This one is tangent. This is radius. The angle between the radius and the tangent at the point of contact R will be 90 degree. So here OQ is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And ORQ is a right angle triangle and right angled at R. Therefore, from the Pythagoras theorem, we can write OQ square is equal to OR square plus RQ square. OQ is equal to 25 centimeter whole square. OR square we don't know, that what we want to find. RQ square is 24 centimeter whole square. Is right? 25 centimeter whole square is 25 squares is 625 centimeter square plus OR square plus 24 centimeter whole square is 576 centimeter square. So we will shift this one to this side. 625 centimeter square minus 576 centimeter square is equal to OR square. So here 625 minus 576 is 15 minus 6 is 9. 11 minus 7 is 4 and 5 minus 5 is 0. So 49 centimeter square is equal to OR square. So 7 centimeter whole square is equal to OR square. So OR is equal to radius is equal to 7 centimeter, which is nothing but option A, 7 centimeter. This completes the first problem. Here the second problem. In figure, if TP and TQ. Here TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with center O. With center? This one is the O. So that POQ, angle POQ is equal to 110 degree. Then PTQ is equal to angle, we should find PTQ here. This angle we have to find is equal to angle 60 degree. B, option B is 70 degree, option C is 80 degree, option D is 90 degree. Yes, it's very simple calculation. We all are familiar that here Q is the point of contact. Yes, right? And here P is the point of contact. So this one is the tangent and this is the radius. OQ is the radius and QT is the tangent. Here TP is the tangent, PO is the radius. So at the point of contact, the angle between the radius and the tangent is equal to 90 degree. We should all be familiar. Yes, right? So angle Q and angle P is equal to 90 degree. Angle OQT is equal to 90 degree and angle OPT is equal to 90 degree. Why? The reason is the angle between the radius and the tangent at the point of contact, is 90 degree. So we can say that these two angles are equal to 90 degree. So here OQTP is a quadrilateral. Therefore, angle O plus angle Q plus angle T plus angle P is equal to 360 degree. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. What is O? We are already know 110 degree and angle Q is 90 degree and angle T we want to find angle P. Yes, right? That is also 90 degree, which is equals to 360 degree. So here if we add all these three angles, it will be 290 degree plus angle T is equal to 360 degree. So angle T is equal to 360 degree minus 290 degree. So angle T is equal to 70 degree. Angle T is nothing but PTQ. Angle PTQ. So which is equals to B, option B, 70 degree. This completes the second problem. And you can also straight away write, in the exam you will not be solving all these things. You can straight away write 110 degree plus 70 degree gets you 180 degree. So this will be 70 degree. That's sufficient. As you are all familiar, it is 90 degree. So 90 plus 90 is 180. So if we add these two angles, angle O and angle T, you should get 180 degree. This is the simple calculation. With this calculation only, you can straight away write that B, option B, that is 70 degree plus 110 degree, which will fetches you 180 degree. That's complete. That's sufficient. Yes, right? No need of such calculations in the examination. It is mentioned here, justify. Justification is also asked. So we have proved all these things. If it is not been asked straight away, we can write 70 degree. Third problem. If tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at angle of 80 degree, then angle POA is equal to A 50 degree, B 60 degree C 70 degree, D 80 degree. To understand this problem, let us construct a rough sketch of this one. The center is O. So with this center, let me draw a circle. And it is clearly told that P is the point. So here there is a point P. With this point, let me draw two tangents to the circle. And here, let this be PA and this be PB. Yes, right? Do two tangents inclined to each other at an angle 80 degree. Here is 80 degree. Angle is 80 degree. Next comes POA. We want to find POA angle. Yes, right? This point is B, this point is A, and we are all familiar that the angle between the tangent, this one tangent, the two tangents are equal. PA will be equal to PB. These two are tangents, so these two tangents will be equal as they are from the same point to the same circle. And here the radius OA and OB will be equal. Yes, right? And then we will be drawing PO line, and here POA, this angle we have to find. What is this angle measures? Yes, right? Here we have to understand. It is so simple problem that it is very easy for us to understand. Here the thing is that, as I have already told, here angle A will be equal to angle B, as both are equal to 90 degree. PBO angle will be equal to 90 degree. So this is a quadrilateral. AOBP is a quadrilateral. The angle, as per the angle sum property of this quadrilateral, angle A plus angle B will be equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, as this is a 90 degree plus 90 degree, so it will be equal to 180 degree. And even angle P plus angle O, angle P plus angle O must be equal to 180 degree. We know angle P is 80 degree plus angle O is equal to 180 degree. So angle O is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. So angle O is equal to 100 degree. Yes, right? 100 degree. So you should understand here there are two triangles are there. That is APO triangle, APO and triangle BPO. BPO. Here PA is equal to PB. Both are tangents to the from the same external point. External point to the same circle. To the same circle. Both are equal. And then OA is equal to OB. Radii of the same circle. Radii of the same circle. And the next point is PO is common. PO is common. Is CO common? PO is common. Therefore, we can clearly say that triangle APO congruent triangle BPO. So, angle POA equals angle POB. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle CPCT. So, here these two are equal, and we are all know that angle O is equal to 100 degree. So, as these two are equal, angle O means here AOB, angle AOB. Yes, right? Therefore, angle AOB is equal to angle POA plus angle POB. As these two are equal and we have to find POA, we can write AOB is equal to 2 angle POA, as angle POB is equal to angle POA. So, AOB is equal to 100 degree is equal to 2 POA. So 100 degree by 2 is equal to POA. So 50 degree is equal to angle POA. This completes. That means option A, 50 degree is your answer. It is very simple, as this is 100 degree. This one AOB is 100 degree. Half of that is 50 degree. We can simply write that in your examination. No need of this calculation. We can straight away write this, and given there are several other methods to solve this one, but the technology used or the mathematics, we will use the same thing. Without this, we can't do anything else. You see here, 50 degree is equal to POA. Therefore, the answer is option A, 50 degree.